Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start a series of videos on packet tracer. So it's going to be gradual. I'm going to move up gradually. So today I'm going to just start with connecting pieces together. So if you look at the bottom menu here, where you have the devices, I'm going to pick two pieces under the pieces categories. There's one piece here I'm going to pick, and then second PC. I don't know why the numbers are 5 and 6. Looks like I used, let me see if I used other PCs before, but anyways, let me rename these PCs to CEO. Let's say you're starting a new company, you're the CEO, and then as the company grows, you buy a new second PC. Let's call this one an IT. All right, and so we want to connect these two pieces together, right? So we're going to pick a connector. It's going to be a crossover cable actually, but if you don't know what cable to choose, you can always take the auto cable connector. You click on this one, then make these two pieces together, and then so the pieces are connected, but they don't know each other. Okay, they can't share data. So what we need is to put IP addresses into them. So let me put the bottom of each PC the IP address I'm going to give it. 2.3. So I'm giving the first PC 192.168.2.3. The second PC I'm going to give .4. I don't know why I skipped .2. Anyways, so I gave these two IPs to these PCs. So all I need to do right now is just to configure the PCs with the IPs. So going to the PC desktop, IP configuration 192.168.2.3. Subnet mask is automatically set because it's a class C subnet. We don't need a default gateway, just two pieces connecting to each other. We don't need a DNS server. So do the same thing for IT, for the second PC, which is IT. Go to desktop, IP configuration, static IP 192.168.2.4. Subnet mask default gateway. Okay, so basically these two pieces are connected and they should be able to reach each other. Okay, so I can ping this one from this one or vice versa. Okay, let's go into this one and try to do a ping to the command prompt. Try to ping the .4. So if I do a ping 192.168.2.4, successful. Now let's say we add a third PC now. Okay, we come here at bottom and user devices. We pick a third PC. So we have a third PC, but we cannot connect them together because if you look at each of these PCs, if you hover over your mouse over one of these PCs, you're going to see that it has only one interface. Okay, the first Ethernet 0. So there's no way I can connect this one to this one. I need a switch now. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to delete this link. I want to delete this connector because I don't need it anymore. So I'm going to add a network device like a switch. Okay, I'm going to add this 2960 switch. Okay, let's just call it SW. All right, so we have this switch here. Now we need to connect the switches to the PCs. Use a connector. All right, so the three pieces are all connected to each other. Okay, they're all connected to each other, but this one has an IP, this one has an IP, but this one does not have an IP. Okay, so what we need to do is give this one an IP address in the same range like these other ones. Okay, so we're going to have to change the name to HR, and then we give an IP address to it. Let's give it 192.168.2.5. 192.168.2.5. All right, so the three PCs all have IP addresses. And then how are they going to be able to talk to each other? For that to happen, this switch has to create a table, and that table is going to list all the MAC addresses of the PCs that are connected to it. Okay, so if you get into this PC right now, this switch you're going to see doesn't have any MAC address recorded. So let's get into the switch. Enable. Say show MAC address table. You see, it doesn't have any MAC address as of now. It doesn't have any MAC address, but when we're going to do a ping to each one of those PCs, then a MAC address table is going to be recorded in that switch. Okay, so let's do a ping. Let's try to ping from here to this guy and to this guy. Okay, so we're going to ping this one first and we're going to see if it records, and then if it does, then we ping the third one. Okay, so pinging from SEO to this other one. I give it a name, but I don't know what it's named. Okay, IT. All right, so let's get in there and command prompt. Let's ping .4 again. All right, .4 is responding. So what that means is that the MAC address on the switch coming from fast internet 0 and the MAC address coming from fast internet 2 should be recorded here. Okay, so let's get in there. Okay, we have it open. Let's all right, so we have fast internet 2, fast internet 1 has its MAC address recorded, fast internet 2 has its MAC address recorded. So these two pieces know each other. Okay, but for these pieces to know the other two, we have to be able to do a ping to it. Okay, either from here or from here, doesn't matter. Then the MAC address is going to be recorded, MAC address of this port. Okay, all right, so let's do the same thing. We're going to ping this time around. We're going to ping from PC4, PC.4, sorry. Let's ping 192.168.2.5. All right, so that ping's successful. Now, if you get into this, so basically what we did is we ping this one from here. So since we're able to ping this one, we have these two interfaces, MAC address is recorded. If we're able to ping this one, then the three MAC addresses should already be in the switch, right? So let's check it. Let's check that out. So go here. Show MAC address. We have three MAC addresses. That's right. All right. Now the only thing is we're manually putting IP addresses into these PCs. Okay, that's not very scalable. Like if in a big company, you cannot go into each PC and put in MAC address and put all this. So it's kind of cumbersome to do. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it with a DHCP. Okay, and eventually with other servers. So this is the first video, and thanks very much for watching this video. And if you want to know how I got Packet Tracer, all you need to do is go to your browser. Go to your browser, whatever browser you have. You type in netacademy.com. Okay, netacademy.com. So Cisco netacademy.com. Enter, and you have to click the login right here. Okay, yeah, well, it shows that I actually logged in already, so it's not a problem. So if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. You're going to log in, and when you log in, you go to resources at the top menu, resources. Just now you can download Packet Tracer. Okay, on the menu there. So thanks very much, guys, for watching my video, and see you in the next one.